Hello viewers! All of we are used to with the app WhatsApp, isn't it? But do you know the hidden features of this app? In this video, I'm going to share an awesome trick of WhatsApp dark mode and also how to activate it that will make the interface stunning. So welcome to A to Z Classroom 2020. Watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So, are you guys ready for this? Just coming after a short intro. Have a look in between dark mode and the default mode. Which one is mind-blowing? Of course, the dark mode. Now I'm showing how to activate the default WhatsApp into the dark mode. It's a very simple trick. Open WhatsApp. From the WhatsApp window, go to that three dot at the upper right of the screen. Go to the settings and then go to the chat option. After that, tap on the theme. Choose the dark mode, then apply and see the magic. Wow! Now it's looking amazing. If this trick doesn't work in your device, upgrade your WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. For latest iOS devices, pull down the task option, find the dark mode and apply. In my next video, I'll share some more interesting tricks of WhatsApp. To get the notifications of my upcoming videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.